Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a part of biology known as identical twins. We are going to study this part with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, the twins produced when a fertilized egg split into two equal halves before undergoing development are called dash. A. Identical twins. B. Fraternal twins. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Identical twins. These identical twins are twins produced when a fertilized egg splits into two equal halves before undergoing development. So when this fertilized egg splits into two, they will now, each of them will develop into an embryo that will finally lead to the formation of a fetus and a baby will be produced. The next question says, identical twins share identical genes but can have some physical differences. A. True. B. False. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. True. So studies have shown that identical twins share identical genes, but they can have some physical differences due to the influence of environments. The next question says, identical twins are also regarded as dash twins. A. Monozygotic twins. B. Dizygotic twins. C. Trizygotic twins. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Monozygotic twins. Identical twins are also regarded as monozygotic twins because they are formed from one zygote that split into two before developing into an embryo. So all identical twins are also regarded as monozygotic twins. The next question says, the type of identical twins that share one placenta but have separate amniotic sacs are called dash. A. Monochorionic diamniotic twins. B. Dichorionic diamniotic twins. C. Monochorionic monoamniotic twins. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Monochorionic diamniotic twins. There is what we call monochorionic diamniotic twins. These twins share one placenta, but they have separate amniotic sacs. So those identical twins that share one placenta but have separate amniotic sacs are best described as monochorionic diamniotic twins. The next question says, the identical twins whereby each baby has his or her own separate placenta and amniotic sac is called dash. A. Dichorionic diamniotic twins. B. Monochorionic monoamniotic twins. C. Dichorionic monoamniotic twins. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Dichorionic diamniotic twins. Research have shown that there are identical twins that each baby has his or her own separate placenta and amniotic twins. So these twins, that each of them has his or her own separate placenta and amniotic sac, is best described as dichorionic diamniotic twins. The next question says, the identical twins that share a single placenta and a single amniotic sac are called dash. A. Monochorionic monoamniotic twins. B. Dichorionic diamniotic twins. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Monochorionic monoamniotic twins. There are twins called monochorionic monoamniotic twins. Studies have shown that these twins share one placenta and also one amniotic sac. The next question says, which of the following is true about identical twins? A. They have the same fingerprints. B. They don't have the same fingerprints. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. They don't have the same fingerprints. Research have shown that identical twins resemble in many areas of their lives, but they don't have the same fingerprints. So identical twins have different fingerprints. It is proved scientifically. The next question says, monochorionic monoamniotic twins are highly prone to risk of pregnancy complications. A. True. B. False. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. True. Studies have shown that monochorionic monoamniotic twins are highly prone to risk of pregnancy complications. The next question says, in monochorionic monoamniotic pregnancy, umbilical cord entanglements can prevent the free flow of blood rich in nutrients to one or both fetuses, leading to fetal dash. A. Development. B. Death. C. Growth. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Death. So, one of the things that monochorionic monoamniotic twins encounter is these umbilical cord entanglements, and these umbilical cord entanglements can prevent the free flow of blood containing different nutrients that those twins need. So in this situation, there will be a difficulty in the flow of blood rich in nutrients to one or even both fetus, and this can lead to the death of the fetus or the fetuses in the womb. So this is one of the challenges with respect to monochorionic monoamniotic pregnancy. The next question says, a condition whereby the amniotic fluid during pregnancy is above normal is best described as dash. A. Hydromenous. B. Photosynthesis. C. Osmosis. D. Plasmolysis. In this question, the correct answer is A. hydramnios. So this hydramnios is a condition whereby the amniotic fluid in the body system of a pregnant woman is above normal, and when the amniotic fluid level is above normal, it can cause some problems in that pregnancy. The next question says, when hydramnios occurs during pregnancy of identical twins, it can lead to dash: A. Rupture of amnion, B. Abnormal uterine contraction, C. Preterm labor, D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. So when the level of amniotic fluid is above normal, it can lead to rupture of amnion, it can lead to abnormal uterine contraction, it can also lead to preterm labor. All these things can occur when the level of amniotic fluid is above normal in the body system of a pregnant woman. The next question says, which of the following is a maternal challenge of pregnancy of identical twins? A. Anemia, B. Gestational diabetes, C. Physical discomforts, D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. So when an individual is carrying identical twins, one of the challenges is that that woman is prone to anemia because iron in the blood will be depleted. There can be change in her blood or sugar level. There can be physical discomfort. All these things are the things that women encounter, especially while carrying identical twins or in the condition of pregnancy associated with twins or identical twins. The next question says, identical twins are dash genders: A. The same genders, B. Different genders, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. The same genders. So studies have shown that identical twins are always the same gender. So a boy and a girl cannot be identical twins. So identical twins are either boy boy or girl girl. So identical twins are the same genders. The next question says, environment can cause differences in identical twins. A. True, B. False, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. True. So environment plays a great role in influencing identical twins. Studies have shown that identical twins have identical genes or similar genetic makeup, but environment can still cause differences, especially in the physical appearance of these twins. When twins are raised in different environments, those environments can make or bring some differences between twins. If this is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics that we have treated in many of our videos. You can also make your comments in this video.